What's going on, everybody? So check me out, man. I just got done making a video. I put one out at lunch today. I told y'all I'd give y'all a small clip of switching that PCM out to show you why I came up with what I came up with. But I'm gonna go out and work on that here in a minute. But man, I changed the oil on my white truck yesterday. As a matter of fact, right before I went to the salvage yard with my dad. But I wanted to show y'all, man, that marble mist oil is still cleaning that engine, man. And there is some metal shavings, but they're fine. There's no big chunks. But I want to show y'all what come out of the engine and let y'all see that marble mist oil is still working. So give me 1 second. We'll show you this oil pan in the light. So I'm hoping y'all can pick that up. See that? Some of that is shavings. Yes, I know. Which I'm actually curious. I'd like for y'all to drop down in the comments. Let me know. Do y'all think I'm about to start experiencing cam and lifter failure? Or do you think that's normal wear and tear? I kind of think it's normal. A lot of that is dirt. You know, stuff still coming out of the engine. But some of it is shavings. So, drop down in the comments. Let me know what's up. Keep living the dream, doing your thing. I'll get that other video out here in a couple of hours.